What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to access and use Google's Gemma-2, which is the latest model and supposedly the most efficient and fastest model Google allows you to use for free in Google AI Studio. So first of all, head to ai.google.dev/Gemma or click on a link in the video description. Here, you'll find a quick overview of Gemma-2 and other models. Click on Try Gemma-2 in Google AI Studio. You might be required to log into your Google account before accessing this page. Once in Google AI Studio, you can start testing Gemma-2 after optimizing your run settings. I will not go over all Google AI Studio settings, but I will leave my complete guide in the video description below too. As you can see, Gemma-2 uses more tokens, about 10 times more than Gemini 1.5 Pro when using the 27 billion parameter model. Switch to the 9 billion parameter model, depending on which benchmark you're testing, or for which task you're using the model. As you can see in this image, the 27 billion model is outperforming all other tested models by a margin in all benchmarks, particularly for math and coding. If you need to use this model for general prompts or reasoning, then you might be better off using the smaller model to save on tokens and reduce future cost. Enter your prompt, in this example a coding question used to benchmark the models, and you'll see how fast Gemma-2 responds. It should give you better quality responses than the Llama 3 model. To preview all benchmark prompts and more information, check out my guide linked in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.